Yeah, man, you don't know from your advice, you don't know, say, a Bones they represent for Sandy and Bones Steve. And you don't know, say, it's a good look from the other day from Queenie get her house. You see, so you don't know the whole royal family forward today. You don't know, say, a Queenie family me I talk about. You see, you don't know the moving truck forward. You don't know if a tile or what, upon a truck or something, see. But, oh, bricks and this is still, you see, so you don't know, say, Queenie I go shut up your yard, make the thing look up and things. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and subscribe and thing to the TV, you see it. For a future video, you get it just like that as it drop, you see me. But you don't know, Queenie just keep bring down the family and for them can come enjoy the new place where she get, you see it. And you don't know her brother drop out, so the family forward for the dead yard and thing. Yeah man, just forward but we go check out the video, you see it. So
I said, run, come run the fire, King. I said, no, man, I really go, she go, she can't.
Fast out, King.
Yes, it's fast, man. Let me grab a King and say, may I fight him now, because he might take me feel like I'm like, I say, fight him, AC. I'm not saying, I'm sorry.
Why you got your J foot dirty and toenail? How you could not get?
I said, we're not sure toenail pan today.
So the AC and I'm a sweat. Turn up the AC. If you love me from Whitney, if you love me by Whitney, mom say. Oh, Sanga, mom. Them not getting on a beat. Tell them. Tell them. Our back no broad. Their back is not broad. All them there. Who's them? I them there. Wow. Wow, you saw food cook and pretty and presentable. That's for Escada? No. It's for Escada. May I feel yam? Escada? Yeah, you will. I'm going to plan and give you the babe. You see the whole thing? How much? Yeah, Escada eat yam. Yeah, mom, him eat everything. Escada eat yam, don't? Yam. Yam is all right. Go and find it. Mama talk.
Let me find it.
Get up on me, man. Find it. The song my mom request by Whitney. If he loves me. If he loves me, or he loves me. Whitney, she said, I don't know it. Some of them you share for them food before me.
Let's share kids first.
Them not even near me. Them not, I'm not alone frightened over your food. Let King find it. King, our King I go. King find that please. In track don't. Rally sometime. Where's do it again? Say when do? Where's
What's song now? I will sing that in here.
Ready?
I Whitney.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's side. Delete it and the side if you love me. Delete it back.
Alright, Riley, listen to the deal now. You want to speak Jamaican? You have to eat up the Jamaican food and it make you speak Jamaican. So if you eat the Jamaican food, you're going to speak Jamaican. Look. Come.
Riley, come. You need to try Aki before in English.
Come, Riley, come try Aki. That's if you eat Jamaican, you talk patois. God no.
If you're not going to like it, then you're not going to speak Jamaican. Let me see if you're going to pass it test. Speak Jamaican, let me see if it works then. So where y'all go today?
Yeah, man, the food nice, man. What y'all talking?
See, it works.
All of the foreign kids, them, the English kids, them, the Canada kids, them, the American kids, them, when they come to Jamaica, when they eat the Jamaican food and it make them speak Jamaican like Riley Royal, patois. Riley say, yeah, man. Yes. You can't speak patois.
Yes, you can speak this. Don't worry.
You can't speak patois.
It's a pancake, boy. It's not speaking Jamaican.
The background by this body for pancake, you know. Come on. Can you make me pancake? Can you speak patois? You can't speak patois. When in the pan, you can't speak patois? You can't speak patois. Speak patois with me here. Say, speak Jamaican. Speak Jamaican.
Tell them what I want.
You can't speak Jamaican. You have to eat Jamaican food. Can you speak Jamaican? How old are you? What's the real age, grandbaby? Can you stop playing around, Jeremiah? What's the age? Jeremiah, what's the age?
Even if him age change.
The man tell me on 4 different age. He's 5 now. Mommy, where my food there? Him said no one talk as Lord. It's such an honor to have a mother. God bless me so.
Yes, madam, come and have your dinner or lunch, breakfast.
I wish one of my one.
This is for King.
Oh my wife, mommy, I'm me first if you show me food. You know what
Sit here, but we give it to you already, but you know why.
So why me get another ugly dish, John?
Check this color.
Yeah, man, I don't want to that, man. You know, I like the pretty dish, them. Where's Cara one of this? SKU taking a that? I don't want that dish yet. I want the pretty dish here.
I gave him back one.
Alright, take back one of my dumpling. Escada don't care which dish I'm eating. Me care more on the friend dish. Just say it in my mind, so I want to split there. Watch music, Martin, I beg with some of our food.
Martin, you put sharp.
What music, Martin? Yvette, watch music, Martin, that I want beg with food. You know what, let's see your mouth.
Martin, you put sharp.
And a foot sharp. Now you see somebody get them. Marlon. Hey, I must sell them. You finish your food, Riley? So talk Jamaican now. Come here. Lana, now you say, alright? What you bring now? I'm ask you for.
You never talk to me about 10 kg rice?
Rice, you know. Rice, you know.
Fried rice.
And the girl now bring my alcohol, you know. What's the tell her tongue? Alexis.
Alexis.
Yeah.
What was that?
Tell them about.
What was that?
I'm Mike.
Can't read, right?
I'm Mike. Well, remember Mike?
When they run the rice, good man. Just say good things about you.
When them read the comments and them say, Grandma, they being rude. They saying rude things about you. I just class them on top of it. Come tell them you eat Jamaican food, so you make you speak Jamaican. Grandma,
this, yeah.
Yeah. What's
I
nice
when them say granny can't read and write, you and your mama can't read and write.
So them read to me, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Riley, can you speak Jamaican now?
Yeah. Yeah. You're very full, but out and I'm hungry. Yes, Riley.
Yes, what? Yes, you can talk, Patra.
Remember, it's a shy boy.
Ace, can you speak Jamaican? You're the boy, Ace. Wagwan. Wagwan popcorn. They can't talk Jamaican.
Sometimes it's crazy and they know. It's a crazy.
Them ban me. Nasta says so when I misbehave, I'm not allowed to have my grandbaby at the angel. What you going?
He said no.
No!
There is a non.
Long where?
Dude, it said non. It said non.
Ask them then, meaning the last kid. Rally so and so.
Why?
Wow. Why is he being him shy? Leave him. Alright. I'm gonna digest now.
Speak it now.
It's a team. See them as a team Ace. Read. Look them right in name. Team Ace, look.
Team Riley.
You know, all of them have them cheering on table.
I love you, Escada. Somebody said they love
You
you.
know, Jay?
Yeah.
Escada,
I love
Yeah.
They said there.
Sure. Hey, Riley, me know what you me carry that to me no foolishness, you know. I don't know something about you, Riley.
Yeah, they actually
What them
did. They said that we love you.
Them love we who? Ace, look. See your name here, Ace. Come look. Look, come look. See there, look. Ace. Look again. Team Ace. Ace and Ace
Also,
band.
they said Esky.
Team Esky team. Listen, when Ace band, you know, I'm going to the hospital, you know. I do one video as a baby born. Right crazy, the video go 140,000 views. Beer nice me making at the baby ears and then just born. And the baby fed at night until my brother what's it called? My brother grave thing on the 10th. That's 5 days time and the funeral is the 17th.
So give me a camera, make me dead.
Johnstone, St. Thomas. My first brother.
You guys are a set of jokers, you know.
Hey, they're very crazy and easy, you know. The slice them too thin. That is something when I thought you go party.
A paper towel.
I don't give a little piece of cake and your end can forget all piece more now in the back. But some of the buy my friend one cake. I like cake, so I don't care. Years ago. I remember for Christmas. My mother, mommy, put on your pearl bando. She bush. Pearl white slippers, pearl pan head, pearl in her ears, representing for her. Watch there. Look at my beautiful mommy, BJ. See pearl there? Now split the pearl, see pearl now sure.
So Queenie.
BJ looks so nice.
I just love the for
I
true.
wish she look like, well, you know, she hot girl.
Yes, girl.
That's how we should have done.
Yes, one DJ.
Yeah, you know.
Easy bag.
That's my mommy.
Hey, DJ, what's up? Easy, DJ.
Mom, somebody say kill the fly to disturb them. The fly. They say kill the fly, it's disturbing me.
No one in our fish fry, yes.